In our last video, we finished the dining room and we're working on the hallway and around the stairs. We are doing projects inside and outside the house during this video. We started tiling around the stairs, but wanted to break it up into different sections so that it would leave room for us to access the stairs.
10 3/8. It's 10 1/8. Yeah, I need 10 3/4, so we've got about 13.5 on this broken one. That'll work great.
Perfect.
Okay. What is this in here?
Moving it out of the
Move
way.
this into my space. Move it into your space.
It's all our space.
Okay. Well, I moved it into our space over there where it's in your way.
So, how'd it do?
Nice.
Did I get it this time?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yay!
Hunter, why are you licking me? Ow.
Did I hit you?
Yeah, you hit me right in the head.
I'm so sorry.
Why doesn't that fit? That's really not good. Like, how am I so far off? Did I measure wrong? I must have measured wrong. Unfortunately, I gotta pull that out. That's,
Oh, bummer. Because it's touching the wall, right?
yeah. Just gonna scrape this. Let's do it. Okay. And then, unfortunately, you get to
Do that again.
do that again.
That's okay.
So, I don't know what I measured wrong, but measure again. So that's 10 5/8. So that should be 10 1/4. That's 10 3/4, so that should be 10 3/8. Maybe I just put it in sideways. No, that's the line I cut, and it's just, I don't know. I measured wrong. All right, no big deal, and we'll cut it again. Should be correct now. There we go, that'll fit. That will fit nicely. I used the hose outside and sprayed the back of it to get the thin set off it. That's much better. All right. So I got to do this one next over here, which I have cut already, but I think I'm gonna have to trim it real quick. Because it goes right there. Yeah, so I gotta trim.
Because it's touching the wall?
Yeah, I just gotta trim probably a blade width or so off of it.
Okay.
Which will just take me a sec. So if you want to, I would clean this area up, and then you can obviously stay on that one. Like, you can kneel there and put the mortar in. If you want to do that, I will be right back with this.
Sure.
It'll be really great. I am so close with this one. That cut should be good. You can see there is, it's just not making it over the lip there. because of that. So I've got this notch cut out, and I think this side here is going to be pretty close. It's hitting right here. So I made a mark, and now I got to go back to the tile saw and trim that. All right, it fits. Like?
Yeah! That looks so good, sweetie.
Thanks. Can you grab the bamboo samples real quick?
Sure.
Just want to make sure that this perfect covers that gap. That is as far away as I can get though.
That's perfectly perfect. The color looks good next to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks great.
The vegetables in the garden are mostly dead. I did reap one cucumber, but nothing else back here. This area definitely needs to be cleaned up. After pulling the weeds out from around this tomato plant, I realized that although a bug had eaten most of it, it was still alive. I decided to leave the tomato plant in hopes that it would produce during the fall growing season. It's so nice to have a clean space. I had thought to plant fall vegetables, but didn't start the seeds in time. I'm looking forward to the week between Christmas and New Year's to start my seeds for the spring.
Okay, so I'm in my son's room right now. He has a light switch that is broken. The switch is like popping out of the... something broke here on the side, so I'm gonna replace it. I've already turned the electricity off and checked that the circuit is cold, so I don't have to worry about electrocuting myself. Apparently the ground wire is just woven through there. Alright. And this is just connected with a couple of twist ties. So looks like all this stuff is pre-wired. 3-wire. So I've got a ground, a hot, and so positive, and negative, and a hot. All right, so we got the old one out. I'm gonna install this one here. This dimmer switch has a blue wire that's used for 3-way wiring. So if there's if you have a switch, I'm sorry, if you have a light that has 2 different switches, that's what this one would be for. I don't have that. They provided a cap in this bag, so I'm just gonna cap that one off. Back there where they were. There we go. There we go. All right, so it works. This light, you can just tap it and it comes on. You can slide your finger down the light switch and it will dim. Slide it back up. Or you can just press and it'll go all the way off. Pretty cool.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.